Patty Fernandez and I'm an art teacher. Visit my website at pattyfernandezartist.com. Okay, let's draw. Today's project is how to make banana bread and follow a recipe. Banana bread recipe. And yes, if you make this the way I've drawn it, you will end up with banana bread. And the most important thing is following directions. So we're going to come right over here on the left and we're just going to draw a slightly wavy line all the way over to the other side. And that's because the top part, curve line, curve line, curve line, is going to be the wet ingredients, and the bottom part is going to be the dry. It's best to do those separate but equally important. Okay, starting up here at the top. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. Little skinny rectangle, straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. This is sugar. Come right down below. We're just going to draw a straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. Little straight diagonal, little straight diagonal, straight line, connect, straight line down, straight diagonal, connect. This is butter. All right. We need 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Curve line, straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. Straight diagonal, curve line, straight diagonal, wavy line. Come down below. So this is 1 cup. Straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. Little straight diagonal out. Wavy, wavy line. This is 1/4. So I'm going to put a curve line, baby triangle, curve line, baby triangle. Okay. The butter, we need a 1/2 cup. Straight line, straight line, straight line, curve line, connect, straight diagonal out, in, put a little curve line over, and that we need a 1/2 cup. You must use curve line, baby triangle. You must use measuring cups. If you don't, big time, big trouble. It's very difficult to look and decide an amount. Okay, now we do a curve line, straight line, curve line, straight line up, connect. Come right above, we're going to go curve line, zigzag, zigzag, connect. Curve line, zigzag, zigzag, connect. And down below, we're just going to put curve line and a little curve line inside. And right here, wavy line, curve line, connect inside, because the next part of the recipe adds 2 eggs. Then, right next to that, we're going to put little straight diagonal, slightly curved line, straight line, straight line, straight line, connect. On the side, put little tiny straight lines, curve line inside, big curve line out, in, connect. Mimic that line, out, in, connect. Put a little curve line over, connect. Along with our 2 eggs, we are now going to add 1/2 cup of milk. And we are going to put curved line, baby triangle. Our eggs, curved line, baby triangle. All right. Next, straight line, baby triangle. Right here, we're going to draw a big curved line up, back, connect, big curved line out, big curved line out, connect, right here, straight line, straight line, straight line, little zigzag, zigzag, curve line, curve line. We are now going to add 3 ripe bananas. Now, the darker the skin and the more ripe the banana is, the more banana-y, if that's a word, the more it tastes more banana in your bread. Now, so we're going to add 3 ripe bananas, but come down here, curve line, connect, straight diagonal out, curve line in, little curve line on top. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And yes, you need to mix all of this together for our wet ingredients. Now we come down to dry. Straight line, straight line, straight line up, straight line over, connect, skinny rectangle up on top. This is our flour. And the flour takes 2½ cups of flour. We're going to put this all in another bowl. Now, curve line, slightly curved line, little curved line, straight line out, curve line back, connect, little curved line, straight line, curved line, straight line out, back, connect. We need to add 1 teaspoon baking soda. Baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. And we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now some of you might go, ooh, what is all this? It's amazing. You must add, follow the directions and add every ingredient they ask you to add, because chemically they all works together, and it's all whether or not your banana bread is going to turn out delicious. Now, right next to it, big curve line, straight line, curve line, straight line up, connect. In a big bowl, we are now going to mix everything. All right, I'm just going to put some wavy line, and then a straight diagonal up, straight line, little curve line, little curve line. That's my mixer. I'm using a big spoon. You don't need a mixing machine. Now I draw a curve line, baby triangle, because now after I mix everything, I am going to pour it into a loaf pan. Loaf pan. Okay? Then come over here, straight line, straight line, straight line up, connect, little baby rectangle, baby circle, straight line, 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 come inside, straight line, straight line, straight line, connect, little skinny rectangle on top. This is my oven. And curve line, triangle, straight line, straight line, straight line, big curve line over. This is my banana bread, baked. Come down here, the directions say bake it at 350 degrees for, let's say, 40 minutes. And the way you check it is you put a little toothpick inside and see if it comes out dry. If it does, it's done. And then Y-U-M-M-Y, it is yummy. All right, let's see how we're going to color this in. Okay, when you have a lot of drawings, you don't need a lot of color. First thing I'm going to do, try and get all of those baby triangles that are showing direction colored in red. And I'm sure I'll miss some, and I'm sure I'll need more, but let's just use what I drew to start with. So these should all be red, and this should all be red. Okay, next, I'm gonna take my yellow, color in my butter, color in that space, color in this space and this space, color in these spaces, and I think that's it. Now, excuse me, come in with my brown, add a little brown to these spaces, add brown to this space right here. I knew I'd forget something. Take my red, let's outline this space red, and let's make this red, so we know that's our mixer. Then, I'm gonna take pink, and if it is a measuring spoon, I'm gonna color that space pink. Because you're gonna use your measuring spoons a bit. Make those pink. Then, I'm going to use my measuring cups. I'm gonna make those orange. This is also, you don't get anything goofed up, mixed up. And I think that might be all. Excuse me. Then just to add some light wavy lines on my mixing bowls. Okay, let's see what this looks like all colored in. Okay, this is a real recipe for banana bread, so if you follow these directions, that's what you should end up with. Okay, bye-bye.